Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to take lion's mane drops. Begin by understanding your product's concentration. Most liquid extracts suggest starting with a low dose, typically 1/2 to 1 full dropper, which is about 1 milliliter. You can take this once or twice daily. Consistency is crucial, so try to incorporate it into your daily routine for at least several weeks to observe its full effects on cognitive function and nerve support. The most effective way to take lion's mane drops is sublingually. Simply place the recommended dose directly under your tongue. Hold it there for about 30 to 60 seconds before swallowing. This method allows for rapid absorption into your bloodstream. If you prefer, you can also mix the drops into a small amount of water, your morning tea, or even coffee. Just ensure the liquid isn't too hot, as extreme heat might degrade some beneficial compounds. For optimal cognitive benefits, consider taking your lion's mane drops in the morning or early afternoon. This timing can support focus and mental clarity throughout your day. It's generally advised to avoid taking them too close to bedtime, as some individuals report increased alertness. For enhanced absorption, many find it beneficial to take lion's mane with a source of vitamin C, such as a glass of orange juice or a supplement, as this can improve bioavailability. Proper storage is essential to maintain the potency and shelf life of your lion's mane drops. Always store the bottle in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and excessive heat. Make sure the cap is tightly sealed after every use to prevent oxidation and contamination. When selecting a product, prioritize reputable brands that use organic, fruiting body extracts, as these typically offer the highest concentration of beneficial compounds for maximum effectiveness.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.